In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the highlighted text on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up PowerPoint and then highlight over whatever text you want to remove the highlight for. And then up at the top, underneath the Home tab, there should be a little pen icon, text highlight color when you hover over it. Click the drop down and select where it says no color. And then if you select that again and then highlight over the text, it will remove the highlight. You may also notice highlighted text if you're searching for certain words on the PowerPoint. So if you selected Find Next, for example, you can see it's highlighted here. In order to remove that highlight, you just would have to close out of this search tool and it would remove the text once you clicked somewhere else. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.